Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best headlight bulbs on Amazon. Your headlights are only as good and as brilliantly bright as the bulbs powering them. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sylvania H11's DrawVision High Performance. Go with a classic made better and opt for the Sylvania H11's DrawVision High Performance Halogen Headlight Bulb. This 2-bulb set is designed to replace headlight bulbs as well as high and low beams and fog light bulbs. It's a traditional halogen set of bulbs with a total of 1,345 lumens and 55 watts. And its H11 size works in plenty of different makes and models. But it shines better than your average halogen bulb thanks to its DrawVision design, which features robust filament construction and a proprietary gas mixture that improves performance and longevity. These bulbs are also designed to prevent increased glare, allowing you to enhance your visibility over longer distances without adding extra challenges. What we like about it: 2 bulbs per pack. Robust, durable filament design. No increased glare. Enhanced down-road visibility. What we don't like about it: no brighter than stock bulbs. Number 2. Philips H7 Crystal Vision Ultra Upgrade Headlight Bulb. The Philips H7 Crystal Vision Ultra Upgrade Headlight Bulb is a perfect choice if you need a durable, trustworthy product that'll survive almost anything. These bulbs are constructed differently from your average halogen bulb. They deliver your standard 55 watts, but provide a color temperature of up to 4000 K made with high-quality UV quartz glass. Each bulb is stronger than basic glass and highly resistant to temperature extremes and road vibrations, minimizing your risk of issues. They're also resistant to UV light thanks to their anti-UV coating, which keeps your bulbs safe from constant harsh sunlight. Additionally, a blue cap at the end of each bulb is designed to create cool light that's brighter in darkness. What we like about it: delivers hid appearance with halogen technology. Blue cap on the bulb for cooler color temperature. Constructed with UV quartz glass. Highly resistant to temperature extremes and vibrations. What we don't like about it: slight yellow color temperature. Number 3. Philips H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb. If you want to make absolutely sure you're swapping out your old headlight bulbs for a set that's equal in quality and performance to your OEM bulbs, choosing the Philips H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb is a great move. These bulbs may work with a versatile range of vehicles, but no matter where they're installed, they deliver OEM construction and performance. And Philips is a reputable choice for quality automotive bulbs. Each halogen bulb is designed to deliver crisp white color temperature, along with glare-free and symmetrical beams, when you use 2 identical bulbs, of course, to reduce glare and keep you seeing clearly and safely on the road. What we like about it: OEM quality and design. Brighter, crisper white color temperature. Available in multiple bulb sizes. Works with many different makes and models. What we don't like about it: not as bright as OEM bulbs for most vehicles. Number 4. Sylvania H11 Basic Headlight Bulb. When you're looking for simple yet effective headlight bulbs that you don't have to worry about, choosing a Sylvania H11 Basic Headlight Bulb is a smart move. These basic performance bulbs are designed to meet DOT regulations and SAE standards, and they're almost identical replacements for your car's factory bulbs. They offer a 3200 K color temperature and perform at a standard wattage, delivering just the specs you need to match your original headlight brightness and output levels. What we like about it: made with high-quality materials. Matches performance of factory bulbs. DOT and SAE compliant. Suitable for a wide range of makes and models. What we don't like about it: no enhanced features or durability. Number 5. Pia's Dream White Bulbs. Just because you opt for halogen bulbs doesn't mean all headlight bulbs are the same, and a set of Pia's Dream White bulbs makes basic halogens look dull. These premium bulbs are designed to simulate the look of more costly hid light bulbs. What we like about it: halogen bulbs with hid brightness. Cool white light temperature. Long-lasting lifespan. Durable, heat-resistant quartz glass construction. What we don't like about it. Installation is complex. Not plug and play. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.